Perched high above the Ionian Sea, on the rugged eastern coast of Sicily, lies Taormina, a town that feels suspended between history and paradise. A place where the scent of lemon trees mixes with the salty breeze of the Mediterranean, and where every narrow street leads to a view that takes your breath away. For over 2,000 years, Taormina has captivated travelers, poets, and dreamers. Founded by the ancient Greeks and later embraced by the Romans, it became a jewel of Sicily, a place where art, culture, and nature exist in perfect harmony. The heart of Taormina beats at the ancient Greek theater, one of the most remarkable archaeological sites in Italy. Carved into the hillside, its stone seats overlook the glittering sea and the towering silhouette of Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano. Even today, performances and concerts are held here, echoing through the same amphitheater that once hosted ancient dramas more than 2 millennia ago. As the sun rises, Taormina glows with golden light. Its terracotta rooftops, medieval churches, and colorful balconies creating a timeless mosaic. Wander through Corso Umberto, the town's main street, and you'll find boutique shops, old palazzos, and cozy cafes, where time seems to slow down. Below the cliffs lies Isola Bella, the beautiful island, a tiny nature reserve connected to the shore by a narrow strip of sand. Its crystal clear waters and lush greenery make it one of the most photographed places in all of Sicily, a natural gem shining beneath the Sicilian sun. From the quiet gardens of Villa Comunale to the grand views at the Piazza Nono Aprile, Taormina offers more than beauty. It offers emotion. Every step feels like walking through layers of history, surrounded by the colors and sounds of the Mediterranean. And as evening falls, when the lights of the town flicker against the deep blue of the sea, Taormina reveals its true magic, a feeling that cannot be described, only experienced. This is Taormina, Sicily, a place where ancient history meets endless beauty, where the sea, the sky, and the mountains become one, and where every moment feels like a dream captured in sunlight.